Words are powerful, but not everyone will always agree with or enjoy what you have to say. In conversations, it's important to read the room and recognize when someone might not like your message. Why? Because understanding these signs can save you from unnecessary conflicts, improve your communication skills, and even strengthen your relationships. Let's dive into the signs that someone dislikes what you are saying and how to respond effectively. The first sign is in their body. When someone dislikes what you're saying, they often show it without realizing it. Look for crossed arms, turning away from you, or leaning back in their chair. These gestures signal discomfort or a lack of openness to your words. What should you do? Don't ignore these signals. Pause and ask, do you see it differently? This opens the door for honest dialogue and shows you're willing to listen. When people dislike a conversation, they often avoid looking at you directly. Their eyes might wander around the room, focus on their phone, or seem distracted. Avoiding eye contact is a clear sign of disinterest or discomfort. Here's your move. Politely bring them back into the conversation. You might say, I feel like I'm losing you here. What are your thoughts? This shifts the focus to them and creates space for engagement. If someone starts giving you one-word answers or seems uninterested in continuing the conversation, it's a major clue that they're not enjoying it. For example, you ask a question, and they respond with a plain yeah or no without elaborating. Instead of pushing forward, acknowledge it. Try saying, it seems like this topic isn't landing well. Should we talk about something else? This shows you're attentive and respectful of their feelings. Another common sign is restlessness. Someone might tap their foot, fidget with their hands, or shift uncomfortably in their seat. These actions indicate unease, often because they're not enjoying the conversation or feel it's heading in the wrong direction. What can you do? Slow down and ask, am I making sense here? Sometimes their discomfort may come from confusion rather than dislike. Clarifying your point can ease tension. When someone suddenly starts checking their phone, looking at their watch, or bringing up unrelated topics, it's a subtle way of showing they're not interested. These behaviors often mean they're trying to escape the conversation. Take this as a cue to pivot. Say something like, I might be going on too long. What's on your mind? Redirecting the conversation can make it more enjoyable for both of you. Paying attention to these signs can make you a more thoughtful communicator. Not everyone will like what you have to say, and that's okay. But recognizing discomfort allows you to adjust, repair, or even gracefully exit the conversation. When you acknowledge someone's feelings, you show emotional intelligence, a trait that will make you stand out in any interaction. Communication isn't just about speaking, it's about connecting. So, watch for these signs, adapt, and create meaningful conversations that leave a positive impact.